Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? Among the countless stars twinkling back at us, there's one that stands out for its sheer power and mystery, the pistol star. Now, imagine for a moment an impossible scenario. What if you fell into it? What would that journey be like? Today, we're going on an epic, imaginary voyage to one of the most extreme places in our galaxy. First things first, what exactly is the pistol star? Located about 25,000 light-years away, near the center of our Milky Way galaxy, the pistol star in the blue Hypergiant. And when I say Hypergiant, I mean it. It's one of the most luminous and massive stars known. We're talking about a star that shines with the intensity of 1.6 million suns. Its mass is estimated to be around 27.5 times that of our Sun, and its radius is a staggering 300 times larger. If you were to place it in our solar system, it would engulf the orbit of Earth and stretch out towards Mars. So, let's start our journey. The very first challenge wouldn't be the star itself, but the neighborhood it lives in. The galactic center is a cosmic metropolis, bustling and chaotic. It's packed with stars, cosmic dust, and intense radiation. Just getting close would be like navigating a rush-hour traffic jam during a hurricane. Your spacecraft would need incredible shielding to protect you from the constant bombardment of high-energy particles. As you get closer, the pistol star would dominate your view. It wouldn't look like our friendly yellow sun. Instead, you'd see a blazing, brilliant blue-white sphere of unimaginable intensity. The light would be so blindingly powerful that you'd need specialized filters just to glimpse its surface. Even from millions of kilometers away, its gravitational pull would be immense, tugging at your spaceship, forcing your engines to work overtime to maintain a stable approach. Now, let's talk about the Pistol Nebula, the cloud of gas and dust that the star expelled thousands of years ago. This nebula, shaped vaguely like a pistol, is what gives the star its name. It contains about 10 solar masses of ionized gas, all cast off from the star in violent eruptions. Flying through this nebula would be like sailing through a glowing, ethereal storm. The gases, superheated by the star's radiation, would shimmer in vibrant colors, a beautiful but treacherous sight. Let's assume your suit and ship are made of some magically indestructible material. As you finally break through the nebula and approach the star's photosphere, its visible surface, the environment becomes utterly extreme. The temperature here, at about 11,500 degrees Celsius, or over 20,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's twice as hot as the surface of our Sun. At this temperature, any known material would instantly vaporize. You wouldn't splash into the star. You'd disintegrate into a plasma of your constituent atoms before you even touched anything. But for the sake of our thought experiment, let's say you remain intact. What would falling in feel like? The star's gravity is incredibly strong. You'd accelerate to mind-boggling speeds. The pressure would be another monumental force. The deeper you go, the denser the plasma becomes. It would be less like falling through air and more like trying to push through a wall that gets exponentially thicker with every inch. The pressure would crush you with a force millions of times greater than the deepest trenches of Earth's oceans. As you plunge deeper, you're not just falling through hot gas. You're falling through a nuclear furnace. The pistol star is fusing hydrogen into helium in its core at a furious rate. This is what makes it so bright and hot. But unlike our Sun, which has a nice, stable, long life, the pistol star is burning through its fuel at an astonishing pace. It lives fast and will die young. In cosmic terms, the energy being produced is immense. You'd be surrounded by a tempest of radiation, magnetic fields, and convective currents. Giant plumes of plasma, larger than our entire planet, would rise and fall around you in a chaotic dance. The star's powerful stellar wind, a stream of charged particles flowing outward, would be pushing against you with incredible force, even as gravity pulls you in. It's a cosmic tug-of-war on an unimaginable scale. If you could somehow survive and reach the core, you'd find the heart of this cosmic beast. Here, the temperatures and pressures are so extreme that they defy easy comprehension millions of degrees, with densities far greater than any solid material on Earth. This is where the magic of stellar nucleosynthesis happens, where the elements that make up planets, and even ourselves, are forged. You would be at the very birthplace of matter, witnessing the fundamental forces of the universe at work. But the story of the pistol star is also a story of its inevitable end. Stars this massive are incredibly unstable. They are destined to end their lives in one of the most spectacular events in the universe, a supernova, or possibly even a hypernova. In just a few million years, a blink of an eye in cosmic time, the pistol star will exhaust its nuclear fuel. Its core will collapse under its own immense gravity, and the star will explode, briefly outshining the entire galaxy. This explosion will scatter its elements across space, seeding new clouds of gas and dust from which new stars and planets will one day form. The remnants of the pistol star could become a neutron star or, more likely given its mass, a black hole, a new mystery for a future generation of cosmic explorers. So, falling into the pistol star is a journey that would end before it truly began. The laws of physics, as we know them, are clear. No person, no machine could survive such an extreme environment. But by imagining this impossible trip, we get a profound appreciation for the sheer power and scale of the cosmos. It reminds us that our sun, the center of our world, is just one of countless stars, many of them far more grand and violent than we can comfortably imagine. These celestial giants, like the pistol star, are the engines of the universe. They create the light, the heat, and the very atoms that make life possible. Exploring them, even just in our minds, pushes the boundaries of our understanding and fills us with awe. It's a humbling reminder of our small place in a vast and wondrous universe. What an incredible journey. Thinking about cosmic giants like the pistol star really puts things into perspective, doesn't it? If you enjoyed this cosmic thought experiment, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And for more adventures into the great unknown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.